Hi, I'm Kell from Promenaid, and today we're going to be talking about end caps, specifically the ADA wall return end caps that fit on Promenaid handrails. Promenaid railings can be supplied with either a flush end cap or a 90-degree wall return end cap. The flush end cap fits in the end of the railing to finish off the aluminum extrusion. But to comply with the residential code and for added safety, you want to specify and install an ADA wall return end cap. Fits in the same way and attaches underneath with a hidden set screw. And every handrail kit that Promenaid makes is available with ADA wall returns, and we supply one right and one left to turn to the wall on either side of the railing. But if you want to reconfigure a wall return, turn a left into a right, or even to make a left return or a right return go up or down, you can do that by partly disassembling the wall return. Just insert a screwdriver between the two end pieces and pry them off. This one might require a little tap. And then you want to take the part that was on one side, rotate it 180 degrees, place it on the other side. Again, a tap with a plastic hammer can help. Clip the other piece in place, taking care to align it. And then what was a left is now a right. So a little bonus feature, not only can you convert the left-hand ADA return into a right-hand ADA return, but you can also take an ADA return and configure it to point downward. To do that, same process. But this time, rotate the bend only 90 degrees, not the bend but the end piece, and clip the pieces together so that when it's inserted in the railing, it'll point downward, which is a nice detail at the end of a sloped handrail, perhaps one outside on posts. Thanks for tuning in.